these brain organoids that we developed, that was not planned. That's hard to plan.
Well, you
right?
accidentally grew a brain organoid.
It was basically, yes.
Let's see one of these accidentally created brains, which is not, I know that's not what it is.
The real thing is going to be very hard for anybody in the audience to see, but I can hand it
It's
to
going to be more difficult for people
Brian,
on the
and
radio.
He can
to see.
I know.
But it's
That's true.
Yeah, so to just describe it, I suppose it's a few millimeters long, and it's pink. Why is it pink?
So it's been dyed. Normally they're just sort of this whitish color, just like real brain tissue is.
In what sense is it not a brain?
So they're generated from cells, like Robin said, that are reprogrammed from skin or blood or even from urine. They're following the same sort of developmental process that happens in an actual embryo or fetus. Because that's, how you make a brain, right? That's how the embryo makes a brain. That's how we all have brains now, as we've been through development. And so that's what we're mimicking. We're limited in maturity because, look, it took me over 40 years to get to the point I am now. I don't want to, these are definitely not 40 years old. These are probably about 2 months old. And so they're lacking a lot of these things. Plus, most importantly, they're not in a body. And that is really, really key. And that's also relates to why they're not vascularized, but also just in terms of functioning as a brain, really getting sensory input and interacting with the world.